particular patient, there was problem in breathing as well as a very protruded and projected nose, and he wanted me to bring down the height and make it look sharp but not very sharp. And he wanted that his nose should look smaller version of what he had at the moment. It was a little difficult. Why? Because in over projected noses, if we decrease the height, the nose tends to become more spread out and more bulbous. So we have to see all the aspect that even though we decrease the height, we make sure that it should not look very wide and broad. So we cut the alar base so that it looks small, nice and less projected as compared to what it was. We reduce the projection of the entire nose, the bony base, the cartilaginous part, the tip part and everything. You can see it. We have done a lot for this nose, but yet it looks natural for this nose, not too small, not too big the way it was. It is a thick skin nose job, and in thick skin it may take more than 2 years to get the best results. Why? Because the thick skin envelope, it does not allow the shape a surgeon creates to show up in such a better way in other kind of skin. If you see, this was how the whole nose, it looked deviated to the right. It was big, it was over projected, and once we reduce the height, there is a tendency to spread further, leading to widening of the nose, which we didn't want in this case. So it's a difficult scenario where we have to balance both the things, projection as well as widening, which we took care on this patient. And here at the on-table result, if we increase the height, the nose looks slit, but if we decrease the height and the projection of the nose looks wider. But in this case, we balanced it in such a way that it looks a little under projected, but yet it should not look wide or broad for his face, and not too squeezed and narrow also the way he wanted. Once the swelling settles down and he comes for the follow-up, or he sends his picture on the follow-up, we'll post this on our Instagram handle for you to watch.
For more information, call on these numbers. Our managers would be happy to assist you. And if you want to know about the prices, please visit our website, our Insta page, and check the results of our patients.